Now, when you're given a question like this, what you need to do again is to check which one can you simplify first or which one can you write in another form. So if we can check here, we are having 4 sine squared x plus 7 cos x minus 4. So now we can see that this sign is a bit what complex. So what we can do now, we can just change the sign and write it in the form of cos, which is just 1 minus cos squared x, and then close it, and then plus 7 cos x minus a 4 is equals to 0. If you can check sine squared x, this is coming from cos squared x plus sine squared x being equals to 1. So now we just made sine squared x to be the subject of the formula. So that's the thing. Now proceeding with our problem, it just means like now we can say 4 multiplied by 4 cos squared x, then we'll just have a 7 cos x minus a 4 is equals to a 0. And then now we can just group these things or place them in a proper way, cos squared x, and then here there's a plus, and then we just write plus 7 cos x, and then this will just be what? This will just be 4 minus a 4 this side, which means this will just go out with this 4, and also this 4 will go out, and then you'll just be left with a negative 4 cos squared x plus 7 cos this, and then this is equivalent to 0. Then you just remove negative cos as your common factor, which is negative cos x, and then you're left with a 4, and then minus a 7. Here you're left with cos, here you're left with the 4 cos x, and then minus e7, close bracket, 0. Now it means you're having negative cos x being equals to a 0, and then a 4 cos x is equals to e7. Then now this is all here, meaning here you just have second function of cos, then it gives you what? It will give you a value of 90 and another value of 270. You can try that using your calculator later. And then we come to this other part, this one. So coming to this other part, you'll see that you will have cos x is equals to 7 over 4, which this now does not have a solution. And then you're done.